everyone, I'm Sarita Pamnani, your Jolly Phonics teacher. Before I start the new letter sound, let's revise previous one. Letter Z. Letter Z. Now it's time to start the second letter sound of fifth group, letter W. Letter W. Let's start with the short story. One day, the westwind and the sun were having an argument about which of them is the strongest. The westwind said to the sun, "Can you see that man down there? I bet I can blow so hard that his coat comes off." So the westwind blew and blew, but the man hung on his warm coat more and more tightly. Then the sun said, "Now it's my turn, let me try." So the sun shone so bright, the man got warmer and warmer and hotter, and after some time he took off his coat. Then the sun smiled and said, "I win." Then the west wind storms off, making the sound of like wah, 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 wah. Yes, the sound of letter W is wah, wah, wah. And the action of letter W is wah, wah, wah. Let's see how to write letter W. Wah, wah, letter W. Wah, wah, letter W. Wah, wah, letter W. Wah, wah, letter W. Now listen the words corresponding to the pictures. What's this? Window. Window. What's this? Watch. Watch. What's this? Apple. Is it related to letter sound of letter W? No. So we cross out the picture. What's this? Web. Web. Now let's play the words. Web. 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 Wig. Wig. The wind. Swan. Swan. Let me tell you one more thing. When W comes in the last, it will be silent. See some words over here. When the words end with OW, it borrows the sound of long vowel OAO. Blow, flow, window. When the words end with EW, it borrows the sound of long vowel U. Few, flew, stew. When the words end with the AW, it borrows the sound of short vowel O. Saw, draw, and straw. Let's sing a song. I see the clouds moving, wah wah wah. I see the kites flying, wah wah wah. I see the trees bending, wah wah wah. The wind is blowing so strong. So that's all for today. See you in my next video with new letter sound. Till then, bye.